Let's make history. So the man whose corpse was sexually assaulted on an R train in Manhattan around the Staten Island ferry area has been identified. He's a Mexican man, 37 years old. His wife, who he had been separated from for 6 years, they were around the same age. She was the one who identified the body and confirmed it, said he was a hard-working man. He worked multiple jobs to take care of his family. We got a 13-year-old son. He has family back in Mexico, and they said he worked his ass off, working in kitchens and working all sorts of other odd jobs to provide for his family. Unfortunately, he did have major issues with alcohol abuse, however, to the point that he was 37 years old with cirrhosis of the liver. They still haven't confirmed his cause of death, but they're saying it might be natural causes, most likely. They're still investigating further. And they're saying it might have been the cirrhosis of the liver that killed him while he was on the train. The suspect who sexually assaulted his corpse still is on the run. He has not been found as of yet. Now there's a second suspect, a female who was seen rummaging through the corpse's pockets. Jorge Gonzalez was his name. May he rest in peace and condolences to his family. But this newer suspect was seen rummaging through his pockets. So law enforcement is looking for her as well as the guy who was the one who actually had sex with Jorge Gonzalez's body once he was deceased. And this was a story I covered when it initially happened. I believe it was last week. If you'd like to take a look at that, you can do so on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. And Jorge migrated to the United States from Mexico about 2 decades ago. And now his ex-wife is getting everything prepared to have his body shipped back to Mexico. May he rest in peace.